What up, Scotty gang? And today I'm back with the review. Oh, I'm back. I'm reviewing a wig from Luvme Hair. Now, Luvme's been around for a little bit now, and I was told by a friend that I should check it out. You know, I'm thinking like, okay, I saw it on Instagram how, you know, you go down and they advertise stuff. I'm seeing all these girls with these nice wigs, and I'm like, can't be, not for these prices. So I actually went and ordered one. Look at this. Now, this is a different one than what I'm reviewing tonight. I'm going to review the other one too, obviously, tonight, and let you guys see. This Luvme Hair wig I've had for like a month. No lie. Look at this. Look at. You see this guy? Are you seeing this? I don't know if you really can see it. I've had this a month. I haven't put anything in it. I hate to say it, I haven't even washed it. But look at this. This is 18 inches. Look how silky this looks. And I swear by this wig. This is my go-to wig when I want to do anything, when I want to look cute. I just put this, look at this, when I brush it. How does it look? I haven't got a lot of shedding from this wig either. Look at that. It like almost returns to the natural state in which I got it. And I actually didn't tack down this wig because I want you guys to see something. Hold on. Look at this. Look at the lace. Oh, there you go. Where'd you go? I can't see you. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. So I'm very impressed with this wig. Like I said, hold on. Minimal shedding. It's like one string. And like I said, this one is not put down. Now, I just wanted to take a couple seconds to show you. I've had this a month, guys. 1 month. And look how good this looks. I literally just, and it's back. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Oh, sorry. I've been feeling myself with these freaking vibes that it's giving me. Okay. Just wanted to let you know. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, give me a thumbs up and hit that little bell